Selamat datang di Opote Gaming. Kali ini kita akan melanjutkan game Dying Light The Beast. Oke, kita lanjutkan saja. Kemarin kita sudah bermain sampai kita dihianati ya oleh Town Hall. Ini ya, dia menjebak. Sheriffnya dijebak ya. Sheriffnya kita dijebak. Sheriff, dan kita ingin menuntut balas. Jadi musuhnya ada dua sekarang, Sheriff juga Baron. Kita lihat, saya terakhir ada di sini. Oke, sekarang sudah malam. Saya akan next untuk tidur. Saya akan skip ke sana ya. Ada 1 jam. Kayaknya cukup ya, nggak perlu tidur, langsung aja saya akan next ke sana ya. Oke guys, kita udah sampai. Kita lihat apa yang akan diomongin Sheriff ya, karena Sheriff menjebak kita. Kita lihat. Kita minta penjelasan. Di mana dia, Jacob? Siapa? Sheriff.
She came running in, grabbed a bunch of her stuff, and took off like she was on fire. She's not answering her radio. What is going on?
Apa yang terjadi? Dia kabur ya? Apa yang terjadi? Dia tahu aku bakal datang. Jadi kamu nggak tahu? Nggak tahu apa? Dia menjebak aku. Dia kerjasama dengan Baron. Apa? Katanya dia melakukan itu untuk melindungi ya.
No.
Well, you're in charge here now, so I'm giving you fair warning. She is going to pay for what she did to me.
The sheriff was our rock. She's the one who kept us together. There has to be a reason.
Pasti ada alasannya.
She is done. You need to run this place on your own now.
Jesus.
And the plan stays the same.
What plan?
The plan to take out the Baron.
I'm no soldier. The sheriff handled security. You know that.
Then I need you to give me whatever you have on him, whatever intel you guys have gathered.
We don't have anything on him, but I might know some people who do.
Who?
A group of exiles forced out by the sheriff. She never wanted us to speak of them or contact them, but I always kept a connection open. I couldn't just abandon them.
Who are they?
They are the infected ones. Some were fugitives from the Baron's lab that the sheriff wouldn't let in.
Where'd they go?
They banded together to form a community high in the mountains. They are all infected, but they've halted their progression with an infusion made from a rare strain of mushrooms.
Oke, menarik.
I never wanted to push them out, but if we wanted the sheriff's protection,
Reach out to them.
I'll make contact and let you know.
Good.
Jadi sekarang yang berkuasa di tempat ini si Jacob ya, dan Sheriffnya udah kabur. Kita dapat 3 skill point. Sheriffnya kabur, yang cewek, dan si karakter utama masih berencana untuk meneruskan perjuangan melawan Baron. Nah, meminta Jacob untuk membantu dia, tapi Jacob ini bukan soldier, bukan prajurit. Makanya itu Jacob meminta saran untuk meminta bantuan dari orang yang sudah terinfeksi, yang sudah dibuang sama Sheriff, tapi masih kerjasama ya sama Jacob ternyata. Mereka punya cara untuk menekan infeksinya, jadi nggak langsung mati gitu ya. Intinya gitu. Saya akan persiapkan sekaligus besok supaya bisa pagi ya. Saya skip. Oke guys, sudah pagi dan kita melihat jurnal kita. Ini masih nggak bisa ya, kita butuh level 11, 2 level lagi. Dan ini adalah kita harus ke sini ya. Jadi targetnya ke mana ini? Oke, target kita ke sini ya. Jadi saya akan melakukan perjalanan, saya skip ya sampai ke sana kecuali nanti ada sesuatu yang menarik akan saya tunjukkan.
Olivia, there was no sign of the sheriff at the town hall. Looks like she ran.
Oke.
So she really was working for the Baron.
She claims she did it to protect her people, but I don't buy it. Right now, I just need to get stronger. Can you find me more chimeras?
I'm already on it. I'll get back to you as soon as I locate one.
Oke.
Crane, do you copy?
I do. What's up, Jacob?
I reached out to the exiles, and one of them will contact you soon.
Oh. Jadi si anunya sudah dikontak ya, yang mau didatangin, dan mereka setuju ya, bahkan menunggu menunggu Crane.
Crane, can you hear me?
Hah?
What the hell?
Don't be frightened. I'm not your enemy. I'm a telepath. Jacob asked me to reach out.
Wow.
No. The last time someone talked to me telepathically, it did not go well. Use the damn radio.
The radio isn't safe.
And this is freaky as fuck.
Meet me at Pembroke Farm. I'll explain everything.
Oke.
In telepathy, you've got to be kidding me.
Unik ya. Yang mau ditemuin bisa telepati. Ya, menarik. Ada save house, saya urusin dulu save house-nya ini.
Carl, can you hear me?
Do I have a choice?
Pembroke Farm isn't safe. Meet me at the homestead in High Marshes instead.
Oke, ganti lagi.
Hurry, please.
Oke, ganti lagi ya. Karena ada tempatnya nggak safe, nggak aman. Jadi dia ganti tempat. Oke guys, sebentar lagi udah sampai ya. Sudah dekat. Semoga saja kita nggak telat. Katanya tadi udah harus cepet ya. Oke. Ada kendaraan 2 di situ. Terus kita kemana? Kita udah di lokasinya.
The tracks lead straight here.
Oh.
Be him. Check the barn. I'll take the house. He might be armed.
Ternyata banyak tentara di dalam sana guys. Kita sneaky kah? Terakhir saya sneaky sih nggak berhasil ya guys.
My feet are killing me.
Saya kurang berbakat untuk masalah sneaky itu. Kok nggak ada? Tadi perasaan ada. Oh itu. Bentar. Ada yang berpatroli jalan, ada yang utak-atik di situ. Kita mungkin harus ngecek semuanya ya. Oke, ada yang jalan ke sana. Berarti yang paling dekat itu yang di situ. Kita bisa sneaky. Sebentar. Nah, di sini kita nggak bisa kelihatan. Pastiin satu soldier yang patroli. Nah, itu dia. Pastiin dia masuk. Begitu masuk, kita turun langsung ngincer yang paling jauh.
I could really use a beer.
Oke, lah dia gerak.
Secure the area. What's that smell? Hands up, fucker. I'm warning.
Ketahuan.
I don't.
Terus kelamaan. Lebih baik seperti ini.
Got you, fucker.
Kyle, is it over?
Yes, the area's clear. Where are you?
I'm in the main farmhouse.
Stay there.
Malah jalan lagi. Kita dapat shotgun. Ngelut bentar ya guys. Oke, kita lanjutin lagi ya. Tadi sampai mana lagi? Saya lupa. Oh, kita masuk ke dalam ya. Sudah selesai semua ya. Oh, masuk ke sana, masuk ke sana. Oke. Mana? Ada yang kabur? Lari-larian. Ada yang lari-larian itu di luar apa di dalam? Saya nggak tahu. Kita udah di dalam. Orangnya di mana sih? Kok nggak ada? Malah sibuk looting. Disuruh nemuin. Oke. Ini kah? Kamar mandi. Sumpah malah sibuk looting. Apa di atas? Oh, di sini sepertinya. Oh iya, benar. Cutscene. Oh. Dia di dalam.
My name is Sven. I'm the one who guided you here. As you're infected, we can connect through our shared consciousness.
Oh.
Believe it or not, Sven, you aren't the first telepathic infected I've had in my head.
Interesting. According to Jacob, you have other gifts too.
Or curses, depending on your point of view.
Jacob said you needed our help.
Jacob.
What can you tell me about the Baron?
Quite a bit. We've been spying on him and his people for years. I'm glad to tell you everything we know, but right now, I must find 2 of my team who are missing.
Oh.
You can't communicate with them telepathically?
If I could, I wouldn't be so worried about them. But when I reach out, there's nothing.
Think the Baron has them?
I don't know. But I'm sure they're in danger.
Okay. Where were they last seen?
Are you offering to help me find them?
Well, that'll be my
Iya.
good deed for the day.
Jadi dia minta tolong dulu ya
Last time I
untuk
heard from them, they
membantu.
were at one of our abandoned bases, a farm west of here.
Jadi temennya itu hilang dan nggak bisa dikontak bahkan lewat
And
telepati.
now that we're connected, just call out to me and I'll hear you.
All right. But until I do, stay the hell out of my head.
Jadi sesama apa namanya istilahnya yang terinfeksi itu bisa bertelepati ya. Kotanya cukup jauh, akan saya skip sampai ke tempatnya ya.
This must be the place.
Oke, kita sudah mendekati tempatnya. Wah, ketahuan. Kita berkamuflase. Kita mencari ya. Langsung aja disikat. Bisa 2 ini. Oke, kita akan ke mana ini? Ini kah? Tiga. Yang sini aja kita beresin.
Sven, can you hear me? Hello? I feel like a fucking idiot.
I hear you.
Shit, that is still creepy. You said you used this place for a base?
Have you found anything?
No, not yet.
Nggak
Check
nemukan
the
apa-apa.
attic. The entrance is in the hallway.
Cek di atap ya.
Yeah, now he tells me.
Di sana kan? Oke, saya tadi sudah sini belum ya? Oh banyak. Nah yang di sini banyak. Oke, kita jaga-jaga ya, kita kamuflase. Nah, soalnya mau masuk ke tempat baru. Nah, harusnya kan nyari tempat masuknya dulu ya, baru kita kamuflase. Ini mah kita nggak ketemu ntar. Oh itu kan, bukan seperti bukan. Oke, kita disuruh ke atap. Tapi saya belum nemu. Nanti kalau udah ketemu nanti saya skip ya. Oh, nemu. Ada sesuatu di sini. Ngelut terus. Oke, saya putuskan gak usah ngelut ya. Biar kita lebih fokus ke ceritanya. Katanya nggak ngeload. Lockpick kita habis ya? Astaga. Habis. Bentar, saya mau bikin. Semoga ada barang bahannya. Iya. Banyak. Nah, 80. Buset dah, nggak bisa habis nih. Oke, berhasil ya. Katanya nggak usah ngelut. Ya gimana ya, jiwanya pengen mencari barang. Lewat sini. Bentar ya. Oh, ke atas. Oke. Oke. Kita udah di lokasinya ya. Ini sebenarnya markas sepertinya.
These look like patrol routes. Is this an outpost?
Ya, ini rute patroli ya sebenarnya.
Kyle, have you found my men?
No.
Kamu
but
sudah
I found a
nemuin?
map of the Baron's outposts.
If they were captured, you'll probably find them in one of those.
I'll see if I can track them down, but do me a favor.
Stay the hell out of your head.
Are you reading my mind again, sir?
Oke, kita pindah lagi ya ke yang ada ditunjukkan di itu tadi petunjuknya. Kita akan skip, oke? Oke guys, sudah sampai di lokasinya dan saya tadi berusaha mengumpulin bis point, ternyata jamnya tinggal 2 jam. Jadi saya nggak jadi ngumpulin bis point. Oke, sepertinya di dalam ya. Nggak bisa masuk? Nggak bisa ya. Oh ini.
Keep your voice down. They'll hear you.
You think I'm afraid of those freaks?
They're not the only monsters out there. Could be Voltox. Maybe even the Beast.
Fine. I'll keep my fucking voice down.
Oh ini. Aman ya.
Echo 7, report.
Disuruh laporan lagi.
Echo 7, where the fuck are you? Over.
Gawat ini. Tawan dong. Tawan dong. Oh ininya.
This is Echo 7, over.
We caught the freaks who attacked the patrol. Where have you been?
I was taking a dump.
You... Fuck, whatever. You can rendezvous at Checkpoint Delta.
Where?
The pig farm. We're taking the prisoners back to the palace.
Copy that.
Oke.
Dumbass.
Jadi ketangkap ya. Dan kita harus menyelamatkannya di sini. Malam sudah mau dekat, kita terpaksa harus ke save area dulu. Nanti kita lanjut ya. Baiklah semuanya, ini kita sudah pagi. Kita akan menuju ke sini ya. Oke. Oke guys, kita udah dekat. Saya berkamuflase ya. Karena penuh. Jadi kita bisa masuk tanpa harus ada konfrontasi berlebihan. Suara tembak. Manakah kita ini?
Keep watch over the prisoners. Knock them out again if they even start to stir.
Just knock him out. We should kill those freaks.
Baron's orders. Watch them alive.
Di dalam sana guys. Oke. Banyak banget. Wih, banyak banget.
Wake up, you infected piece of shit! Convoy's here. Get him in the truck.
Ya udah dijemput. Gimana dong?
Hands up! Slowly.
Serius, kita disuruh ngadapin. Oke. Mana itu? Woi, masih ada. Bisa? Oh, itu dia. Saya butuh peluru. Oh, naik lewat sini. Nah. Tuh, kok masih ada di bawah?
Sven, I just saw your people. They're being... being transported somewhere.
I have people watching the roads. Soon as I can, I'll let you know where they're going.
Oke. Buset. Oh, ada yang gede. Oke, kita akan nyoba shotgun ya. Enak dong. Buset.
Kyle, they're stopped near the river. You need to catch up with them.
Oke.
A group of infected are blocking the road. I'm sending you the location.
Jadi sudah ketahuan di mana, tapi di cover sama infected sama zombie ya, banyak zombie. Oke. Sebentar saya ngeload dulu, nanti saya bantuin. Setelah saya selesai ngeload. Ini ngebug ya. Bentar guys, saya rapiin dulu. Oke, posisi yang kita diminta itu di sini. Sementara kita bisa naik mobil. Kita naik mobil saja ya, biar cepat. Kita isi bensin dulu. Kebetulan saya punya banyak. Bener-bener nggak pernah dipakai ini. Oke. Kita naik mobil, kita menuju ke sana. Salah. Apa saya naikkan skill mengemudi ya? Boleh deh. Bentar guys. Ada skill mengemudi ini supaya bahan bakarnya lebih sedikit, ini supaya tidak cepat rusak, dan ini belum pernah saya pakai skill point sisanya karena saya pikir tidak ada yang bagus, jadi ya sudahlah. Bensinnya lebih hemat ya setelah saya upgrade, dan untuk mobilnya juga nggak bakal cepet rusak sekarang setelah saya upgrade semuanya. Oke, menarik ini. Oke, kalau waktu nyetir mobil gini kayaknya lebih enak pakai anu deh. Bentar, kok dia profesinya masih terus ya? Kayaknya lebih enak pakai apa namanya, tabrak aja. Ini ya. Terus kita disuruh main di misi start. Kita tabrak-tabrakin ya. Bentar ya guys. Ini zombinya terlalu banyak. Kalau kita turun sama aja bunuh diri. Kita habisin dulu semuanya. Kita kayaknya harus keluar deh. Kelamaan kita nyetir mobil. Mana mobil kita udah berasap lagi. Ini kah?
Sven, I found them. And they don't look good.
They need an infusion. Hurry. There's a cave to the south. I'll send you the location.
Okay, I'm on my way.
Kita bawa mereka. Oke, kita ganti kendaraan. Kita isi lagi. Jadi kita nemuin mereka kemana ya semuanya ya? Musuh-musuhnya tadinya. Kok ini ditinggal? Jangan-jangan ini jebakan. Kita diikutin setelah ini. Bisa aja ya. Kenapa lewat air-air gini sih? Lumayan jauh ya. Kita disuruh bawa 2 orang ini ke goa ya. Mereka butuh infusion katanya. Mungkin supaya nggak berubah ya. Karena pada dasarnya mereka terinfeksi. Kita sudah sampai di lokasi. Buset.
Hey, where's Sven?
Take them inside.
Sven di mana? Wah, terus dicuekin ya si ceweknya ngomong masukkan mereka berdua ke dalam. Jadi dicuekin beneran loh, nggak dijawab sama sekali.
supposed to abandon them? To die?
Harusnya kita meninggalkan mereka untuk
In the
meninggalkan.
first place, Sven.
Reconnaissance! They're killing our people if we do nothing. How long before we're all wiped out?
Not much longer if the Baron tracks us down here.
Did Sven tell you who I am?
Thank you for your help, but you should leave now.
Kamu terima kasih tapi kamu harus pergi sekarang.
Escape from the Baron.
Crane? You brought Kyle Crane here? The Baron will tear this valley apart looking for him.
Yang cewek ini sama kayak Sarif
Trying
ya,
to get us all killed.
takut sama Baron.
Can help us. Maybe even save us. He was tortured for years, just like we were. He needs answers, just like we do.
Is that what you want, Kyle? Answers?
No, I want the revenge.
Is that motherfucker's head on a platter. But to do that, I need to know where he's vulnerable.
I understand, but we can't be involved.
Jadi mereka ini
Too dangerous.
anu ya,
Please leave.
pengen minta jawaban kenapa kamu lakuin seperti ini. Tetapi
Who was that?
si Kyle-nya butuhnya bukan jawaban ya, butuhnya balas
Not
dendam.
exactly warm and cuddly, but don't let that discourage you. She'll come around. Hey, follow me. I want you to meet someone.
Oke, ikuti aku. Aku ingin kamu menemui seseorang. Wah, ini markas besar. Wah, ini markas besar kedua ya. Ada trader juga di sini. Oke. Kayaknya saya lebih suka di sini ya daripada Town Hall ya. Town Hall menyebalkan itu orang-orangnya. Tapi itu cewek itu berpotensi juga ya menjadi si siapa? Sheriff yang kedua. Ini
Sven?
kan?
Kyle, meet Selby.
Ini Selby.
Kyle Crane, right? I'm in charge of radio surveillance.
Oh, ini
Radio
radio.
surveillance, huh? You got a hell of an operation here.
Wah, saya suka banget di sini, guys. Ini bagus tempatnya.
That, but it leaves us blind. If the Baron tracks us here, that's it. It's over.
We need to know what they're thinking, planning.
It makes sense.
Do you know what this is?
Kamu tahu ini apa?
It looks like some kind of radio transmitter.
Close. It's actually a
Booster.
what the Baron uses to amplify his signal all over the valley.
If we can attach this to the Baron's main relay tower, we might be able to listen in on his comms. But the tower is insanely tall, and none of us have the skills necessary to climb all the way.
Kita bisa
Well, lucky for you,
manjat-manjat
I've
ya.
climbed a lot of insanely tall towers in my time.
So with your skills, climbing to the top of a transmission tower should be a piece of cake.
Great big piece of really shitty cake.
Look, Kyle, if we can find out what he's really after, that could be a game changer.
Anything we hear will pass on to you. We'll get the full picture of what he's up to.
Oke.
What do you think?
Jadi kita mau membajak towernya Baron ya supaya mereka itu supaya mereka bisa mendengar semua aktivitas Baron dan punya cara untuk mengetahui supaya berjaga-jaga lah sebelum itu terjadi. Dan towernya itu tinggi, nggak ada yang bisa. Apakah kamu bisa membantu kita? Ini kita bisa membantu langsung ya atau ini Lydia itu yang anu ya? Lydia tahu nggak sih?
Keeping another secret from Lydia?
Actually, Selby already sold her on the idea. If we can listen in on the Baron's comms, she's all for it.
Oke, Lydianya nggak tahu ya. Oke.
Alright. Where do I put this thing?
There's a relay installed on a high voltage transmission tower in the woods. I'll guide you there.
Alright, fine. Sven already knows this, but do me a favor, stay out of my head. Use a radio if you want to talk to me.
Telepathy's safer, but we can use the radio if that's what you wish.
Yeah, that's what I wish. I'll be in touch.
Si
Oh, and Kyle,
ke
take this too.
What's this?
wow, grappling.
Grappling hook. You might find
Wah, iya sangat berguna grappling dong. Sudah bisa manjat, nge-grappling lagi. Wah, ini episode paling mantap. Saya eksplorasi dulu ya. Wah, naik level lagi. 3 skill. Apa ini skill yang bisa ini udah penuh semua ya. Bagus semua. Nggak ada yang bagus sih buat saya. ini aja ya untuk agility biar kita lompat-lompatnya dan lain sebagainya. Kita bisa nginjak. Ada 2 skill point. Ini. Kita kalau lari bisa minggir-minggirin itu ya.
Liam, you need meds.
Oke, bakal banyak kan ini. Quest.
As long as I don't look in the mirror, this is fine.
Lydia said you're welcome to pick up supplies here if you need them.
Don't you guys need this stuff more than I do?
Most of what I sell is surplus anyway. Maybe you'll find something you can use.
Oke. Apa ini? Wah, enak grappling hook. Di nomor 1 sepertinya. Nah, mana? Soalnya pakai itu ya. Mana? Oh iya benar. Koin nggak penting ya. Dan kita bisa ganti ke grappling hook. Kita coba. Nggak bisa ya. Di markas nggak boleh menggunakan senjata. Kita belanja-belanja dulu. Wow, tumben-tumbennya nih ada peluru. Wah, bagus nih. Bagus. Peluru apa ini? Rifle. Oke. Kita beli semua ya. Max. Terus ini juga Max. Wah, enak ini. Ada peluru. Wah, ini sih terlalu OP, guys. Bentar. Wiring itu sangat diperlukan. Leather buat bikin senjata. Electrical. Alkohol buat heal. Udah nggak ada lagi. Oke. Kita bisa jualan, tapi kita tadi nggak banyak mendapatkan sesuatu ya selama perjalanan, karena saya juga nggak terlalu banyak ngeloot. Mungkin next saya akan grinding dulu, cuman sebentar mungkin ya, nggak bisa banyak-banyak. Ini Lydianya. Bisa ngobrol ya?
I thought I asked you to leave.
You did, and I will, if you really want me to, but...
Aku pikir aku sudah suruh kamu pergi.
Look, I know who you are. I know what you're capable of.
How do you know who I am?
I had a colleague in Harran, a fellow professor at the university there. I kept in contact with him even after the city fell. He lived in the tower.
So you know what I did for them.
I do. I also know that the Baron saw you as something special. He kept you isolated. You were his pet project. And I know he will stop at nothing to find you.
No, I'm not his pet project anymore. There's something else he's hunting down, something that escaped when I did, so I'm no longer his first priority.
Jadi dipikirnya Lydia itu
I need to keep my people safe. And having you here is a danger.
I already rescued 2 of your people. I think you need someone like me.
I know Sven trusts you, but sometimes he can be a little naive.
He's a good kid.
I basically raised him in Selby. They were so young to be in that awful place, so frightened and alone. Considering what they've been through, it's amazing they've adjusted as well as they have.
And that's all due to you. So let me help you.
Are you trying to butter me up?
Wow. You know who you remind me of?
Jadi dia berusaha untuk ya.
Grade English at Holy Cross Elementary.
Pada dasarnya sama. Sheriff sama si Lydia ini sama-sama berusaha untuk melindungi orang-orangnya ya. Pada dasarnya sama, jadi nggak terlalu berbeda. Red sudah. Saya itu butuh tahu tempat Guys, di sini nggak ada tempat nyimpen tas kayaknya. Untuk tidur dan lain sebagainya. Bener-bener nggak ada guys. Oh ada. Oh ini nih. Ada kok. Ada. Kalau ini ada semua. Ada. Takut saya, tak kira nggak ada. Ada quest 1 tadi di mana ya? Di bawah ya.
Have you come to provide us with more pain?
Oh ini dia. Kita coba ngelihat questnya juga ya.
Nothing else matters. Welcome to my humble abode.
Selamat datang. Di sini kita meditasi.
They call me Star Child. Make yourself at home.
Star Child. Yeah, what's your real name, though?
Star Child?
Right.
Okay.
Listen, man, the name's Star Child. I got flowers in my hair, and I've been through too much to care what anyone thinks of me. I live here on my own terms. Enough said.
Uh-huh. Okay. What about your friend there? She taking part in this on her own terms, too?
She is.
A man of such little faith. So, you see, experiments being done sensibly. But we'll need
Jadi dia diinfus ya.
finish it.
Eksperimen lagi. Eksperimen apa ini?
Kind of experiment.
Put on the mantle of patience and you'll soon understand. Here's the thing. It seems everyone who's like us, who's halfway to becoming monstrous, is prone not just to apathy, but also anger.
Ya.
I don't really see you guys losing it like that.
Not yet. But our brains have already been rewired. And I want to better understand.
Jadi orang yang terinfeksi itu seperti kita ya, seperti kapan saja bisa menjadi monster.
Hormonal imbalances both impact the release of neurotransmitters.
Tapi dia itu pengen tahu kenapa.
Being stuck in the dark doesn't help either. I want to study your outbursts, how you handle them,
Jadi
and find a way to help the others.
mereka pengen mencari ya. Gimana terus caranya? Kok butuh bantuan
You managed to
kita?
get all this knowledge without any proper equipment?
Knowledge? Epistemologists might give us flack. It's just a theory for now. A plausible idea.
All right, so what exactly do you need me to do?
I need you to get me pieces of bark from the Tree of Madness, and also the gallbladder from someone who just turned. To get the former, check the abandoned park near the villa area. As for those who just turned, you'll find them at a house in the woodlands, near the swamps. I'll use both to whip up a stimulant, then test it out on you.
Kita dijadikan tes. Oke, tes apa? Aku nggak yakin aku mau jadi. Kita ikutin aja ya.
And then what happens, Star Child?
Trigger a psychogenic reaction, put you into a trance, administer my formula, induce enzyme production, and then take a blood sample.
Not really thrilled about being somebody's guinea pig again.
Kyle, I won't force you, but you'd help the others.
Kyle,
by
aku
doing
tidak
this.
akan memaksamu intinya.
Anything
Tapi
else?
Look
ini
closely
demi
at my
semua.
finger.
Kalau kamu memang mau ya sudah.
Don't take your eyes off it. Get ready to enter into a new experience.
Sudah. Saya ngelihat jarinya ada apa?
1, 2,
Kita dihipnotis kan?
3.
Yeah, that shit doesn't work on me.
We'll see. Look into yourself, man. Listen to your inner voice.
Seriously? Hypnosis, experiments, this tree of madness, inner voice bullshit?
Better to cast a wide net than a narrow one. Good luck.
Oke, jadi minta tolong lagi ya. Oke,
The fight for the precious.
questnya sekarang ada quest utama sama quest ini ya. Saya selalu menyelesaikan side quest dulu kecuali ini butuh level 11. Dan ini yang butuh di malam hari. Mungkin nggak saya kontenin ya karena saya pasti banyak matinya ini. Jadi ini aja yang saya kontenin besok mungkin. Karena apa? Karena hari ini saya cukup sampai di sini. Terima kasih yang udah menonton. Dimanapun Anda berada, saya doakan, saya tetap berharap kalian sehat selalu. Dan apapun yang kalian inginkan, dibukakan jalan, dibukakan lebar untuk arahnya. Dan cita-citanya juga bisa terwujud. Ketemu lagi dengan Obote Gaming di game berikutnya. Ciao!